Question 23 is about how to increase the amount of CS2, amount of products produced. First, adding a catalyst only increases the rate of reaction. It doesn't increase or shift the equilibrium position. Second, increasing the volume of the reaction is possible because on the only right hand side has gas products. Okay, so if the volume increases, the pressure of the gas decreases. So the problem of too high pressure does not become less important. Okay, so more gas product can be produced and the equilibrium will shift to the right. Look at the other two. Adding CO2 gas, okay, will have more product size, so the equilibrium will shift to the left. So less CS2 will be produced. Cooling the system, look at here, enveloping change is positive. So when you cool the system, and then it will favor the reverse reaction, and also less CS2 will be produced. So the answer is B. Thank you.